The Honey Effect, Elevating Your Weight Loss Experience with Nature's Gold. Go ahead, Janet.
I'm Janet from Taub Center. Our topic, the Golden Elixir, how honey, nature's sweet gift, can help you achieve your weight loss goals. The sweet path to weight loss with honey. Losing weight can seem like an uphill battle riddled with sacrifice and restrictions. But what if one of nature's sweetest gifts could make the journey a little easier? As it turns out, honey's nutritional superpowers, metabolism-boosting abilities, and subtly satisfying flavor just may pave a sweet path towards your weight loss success. Honey's rich history traces back thousands of years, earning it an esteemed reputation for healing and nurturing the body. Beyond satisfying your sweet tooth, this viscous golden nectar overflows with nutrients like antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. Research continues to unveil honey's potential to aid weight management through several mechanisms. Its natural composition provides sustained energy to power through workouts. Its low glycemic index helps keep blood sugar stable. Its metabolism-enhancing abilities may help burn more fat. And its subtly sweet flavor helps curb cravings for empty refined sugars. When paired with a balanced diet and active lifestyle, honey may be the golden ticket to amplifying your weight loss efforts. Grab a spoon and let's dive into the fascinating ways this ancient folk remedy can aid your modern-day weight management goals. Unveiling the nutritional power of honey. While honey conjures up images of sweet indulgence, this natural elixir is far more than a sugary treat. Honey comprises a unique blend of natural sugars, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, a nutritional profile that supports overall wellness. Carbohydrates make up the bulk of honey's natural sugars. Glucose and fructose together account for 85 to 95% of honey's dry weight. These simple sugars provide a readily absorbable source of energy to fuel the body and brain. The glucose content offers an immediate energy boost, while fructose provides more slowly released, sustained energy. In addition to carbohydrates, honey contains an array of other nutrients, including bioactive enzymes, 18 different amino acids, vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, folate, and pantothenic acid, and minerals like calcium, iron, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. Honey contains trace amounts of powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids. Some types, like Manuka from New Zealand, contain exceptionally high levels of these antioxidants. This unique nutritional profile gives honey more potential benefits than regular sugar. The natural sugars provide sweetness with less drastic blood sugar spikes. The amino acids may help increase fat metabolism. The enzymes aid digestion, and antioxidants decrease oxidative damage linked to chronic disease. Harnessing these benefits can provide an advantage for your weight loss journey by optimizing overall health. One of the key benefits of honey is its antioxidant content. Though only present in trace amounts, compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids act as antioxidants within the body. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress caused by too many free radicals is linked to chronic disease and accelerated aging. By providing antioxidants, honey may help support overall health during your weight loss efforts. Some honeys, like Manuka from New Zealand, are exceptionally high in antioxidants based on their plant source. In fact, Manuka honey boasts an antioxidant level over 20 times higher than regular flower honeys. This extremely antioxidant-rich honey may provide even more powerful health and weight loss benefits. Honey also contains a range of health-supportive enzymes like glucose oxidase, catalase, and analase. These enzymes aid in breaking down and digesting sugars and starches. By improving digestion, honey reduces the overall GI impact of foods and helps prevent conditions like acid reflux. The enzymes found in raw honey may also possess antimicrobial effects within the body, reducing inflammation. The amino acid content is yet another boon of the honey. Most honeys contain around 18 amino acids, many of which are essential for human health. Amino acids provide the building blocks for critical bodily proteins, hormones, neurotransmitters, and more. They support muscle synthesis and daily tissue repair and maintenance. Amino acids may also increase fat metabolism specifically. By providing various amino acids, honey can optimize metabolic processes tied to weight management. Lastly, honey contains an array of vitamins and minerals, though amounts vary based on its floral source. For example, honey provides bioavailable forms of antioxidants like selenium and manganese. It also contains B vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, folate, and pantothenic acid, which aid energy production. Trace minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus support bone health, oxygen transport, immune function, and electrolyte balance. Incorporating honey can prevent nutritional deficiencies that can negatively health during weight loss. Honey as a metabolism booster. Your metabolism is the engine that converts food into energy to power your body. A sluggish metabolism can thwart weight loss efforts. Fortunately, research suggests honey may give your metabolism a natural boost. Honey's unique blend of fructose and glucose have a synergistic effect on metabolism. The body metabolizes fructose largely in the liver, while glucose is metabolized throughout the body. This dual fuel source may enhance overall energy metabolism compared to sucrose or single sugar forms like high fructose corn syrup. Studies exploring honey's effect on metabolism yield promising results. In a small 2020 study, researchers found that consuming honey instead of sugar for 2 weeks increased fat metabolism in healthy adults. Another study in 2018 revealed that substituting honey for sugar in the diet of diabetic patients enhanced the body's ability to metabolize glucose, helping regulate blood sugar levels. While more research is needed, the existing evidence suggests honey's nutritional profile supports a well-functioning metabolism. A revved-up metabolic engine better converts the food you eat into fuel, preventing excess calories from being stored as fat. Supporting healthy metabolism and blood sugar control with honey may create an internal environment primed for weight loss success. Honey's metabolism boosting effects likely stem from its unique sugar composition. Fructose and glucose influence metabolism in different ways. Glucose raises insulin secretion and is metabolized by all cells. Fructose metabolizes independently of insulin in the liver. Having both sugars provides more avenues for energy metabolism. Clinical trials also demonstrate honey having a lower glycemic index than regular sugar. This means it does not spike blood glucose as drastically. Avoiding blood sugar spikes prevents energy crashes, which can slow metabolism. Stable blood sugar and insulin levels are key for metabolic health. The amino acids found in honey may also play a role. Certain amino acids are directly involved in fat metabolism. For example, arginine enhances lipolysis, while glycine and proline aid beta oxidation of fatty acids. Honey provides a natural source of these amino acids that support healthy fat metabolism. Antioxidants like those found in honey also optimize metabolism. Oxidative stress impairs metabolic pathways, reducing efficiency. Neutralizing excess free radicals with antioxidant-rich honey may support better energy production. Preclinical studies show specific honey antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol preventing oxidative damage and insulin resistance. While the exact mechanisms are still under investigation, the cumulative scientific evidence spotlights honey as a potential metabolism-enhancing ally for your weight loss regimen. Curbing cravings with nature's sweetness. One major downfall that derails many dieters is persistent sugar cravings. Sweet foods elicit feel-good dopamine responses in the brain, causing us to crave more and more. Unfortunately, many sweet treats are laden with refined sugars, providing a rapid energy spike and crash cycle that leaves you craving the next sugar hit. Honey offers a truly natural way to satisfy your sweet tooth and effectively curb refined sugar cravings. Its subtly sweet flavor provides gratification without the sugary extremes of candy and other desserts. Using honey as a natural alternative can help you control cravings instead of letting them control you. Research supports honey's craving-busting potential. One double-blind study compared honey and sugar consumption in healthy adults. While sugar consumption increased cravings, honey consumption decreased desire for sweet foods. Researchers believe honey's ability to maintain stable blood glucose levels plays a role in this craving reduction. The rich flavor and sweetness diversity among honey varieties provides options to keep taste buds excited. Experiment with different honeys like clover, orange blossom, buckwheat, and more to find your favorites. Use honey to naturally sweeten snacks like yogurt, fruit salads, granola, and smoothies. Drizzle it over oatmeal or use it to bake healthier cookies, energy bites, and other goodies to keep cravings in check. Honey's subtle, nuanced sweetness helps you disconnect from the extreme sugary tastes that trigger reward centers and reinforce cravings. Refined sugars like sucrose bombard you with an ultra-sweet flavor and rapid insulin spike. This sets up a cycle of intense sugar highs followed by rebound hunger. Honey's less intense sweetness provides satisfaction without the same addictive response. Additionally, honey offers a spectrum of flavor profiles. Monofloral honeys like orange blossom, clover, and wildflower each provide distinct aromatic qualities. This flavor diversity makes recipes sweetly satisfying. You can also blend honeys to create customized sweetening for everything from marinades to muffins. Playing with flavors keeps your sweet tooth engaged with excitement rather than extremeness. Honey also contains no empty calories. Its sugar content comes packaged with other beneficial nutrients. Refined sugars supply only empty carbohydrates with no other nutritional value. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in honey help stabilize energy and hunger levels post-consumption. This prevents the rebound effects of empty refined sugars. Overall, the evidence highlights honey as an ideal natural sweetener to help manage cravings. While more research is still needed, using honey as a sugar substitute appears beneficial for taming your sweet tooth while staying the course with your diet. Harnessing honey's energy for effective workouts. Increasing your physical activity is a surefire way to ignite weight loss. But grueling workouts require serious energy to perform at your peak. Rather than turning to sugary sports drinks, harness the natural sustaining energy of honey to power through even your toughest sweat sessions. Honey's unique sugar composition makes it an optimal pre-workout fuel. Glucose provides an immediate energy surge to maximize performance. Fructose offers sustained energy to avoid crashing mid-workout. This makes honey ideal for endurance training and cardio sessions. Studies analyzing honey's ergogenic effects consistently show performance benefits versus sugar or carbohydrate alternatives. Cyclists showed improved power and speed when ingesting honey. Runners burned more fat when fueled by honey. Even a small dose of honey just before a workout can provide the boost you need to power through those extra reps. The key is timing. Ingest about 20 grams of honey 15 to 30 minutes pre-workout. This gives you time to absorb the sugars and start burning them as fuel for your sweat session. Pay attention to how your energy levels respond. Harnessing the natural sustaining power of honey can help you push harder and get more out of your workouts for maximum fat-burning results. Honey offers workout performance advantages thanks to its optimal carbohydrate composition. Glucose raises insulin, providing muscles with glucose for immediate use as workout fuel. Fructose replenishes liver glycogen to maintain blood glucose for sustained energy. This dual fuel system keeps you energized from start to finish. Studies also find honey enhances glycolytic endurance and improves oxygen kinetics. This allows muscles to uptake and utilize oxygen more efficiently during exercise. Better oxygen utilization equals better performance. Honey also suppresses lactic acid buildup that contributes to fatigue and muscle burning during workouts. Some research suggests antioxidants like those found in honey also aid exercise performance. In a trial of male athletes, buckwheat honey increased antioxidant status, lowered oxidative stress markers, and enhanced performance. Antioxidants reduce exercise-related muscle damage, allowing you to recover faster. Ergogenic aids like sports gels certainly provide workout benefits, but many contain synthetic ingredients and added sugars. Using a pure natural fuel like honey allows you to push harder while avoiding unhealthy additives. Let honey take your workout potential to the next level. Sweet steps towards your weight loss journey. Like a gold miner seeking treasure, your weight loss journey involves some arduous digging through diet regimens, meal plans, and workout routines. While the process may feel laborious at times, embracing honey as your helper can provide sweet relief through its versatile nutritional benefits. /honey satisfies cravings, thereby reducing your temptation to indulge in empty refined sugars that can sabotage success. It optimizes metabolism to help you burn more calories and stored fat, and it fuels your body with natural energy to increase the intensity and effectiveness of your workouts. By incorporating the golden elixir into your routine, you infuse your day with a touch of sweetness while amplifying your weight loss results. So spread the word and share the buzz about honey's incredible potential to help dieters achieve their goals. With nature's liquid gold by your side, your weight loss efforts can turn into truly sweet success. Embark on your honey-infused wellness adventure. Want to learn more about harnessing the power of the hive for health and wellness success? Sign up below for our free monthly newsletter packed with more insights like these. You'll receive motivation, inspiration, recipes, and expert tips to infuse a touch of honey into your healthy lifestyle.
Awesome, Janet. Thank you. For our viewers, we encourage you to keep losing weight with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.